I don't know if I should be mad, sad, frustrated, or excited. This here, guys, that is not me, right? So if you are following me, make sure that you're following the right person, because that is not me. Also, if you receive a message from that person, I mean, it looks like me, it says my name, but if you look at my name at digital.marketing with D, it's not me. There are so many people out here that can grab your identity and recreate your videos. They're just taking them, downloading them, and then basically creating their own TikTok around your videos. I do notice that there isn't a way to like click the link, but it's because they only have 285 followers. So I want to let you know I have about 16,000.7, I think, followers. So just pay attention that you're talking to the right person. Guys, if you see that one, 285, make sure you report them, because that is not me.